Hi, this is Tiffany Burton doing Module 13 Reflection. Number 1 says, after reviewing the copyright and fair use websites, which area surprised you the most as breaking copyright laws or not meeting the fair use criteria? Pretty much everything you Google. I feel like you can only use it for strict educational purposes within 3 days or 10 days. There's a lot. So whenever we did a project earlier this summer, you wanted pictures included. And so I went to Google, I typed in what I wanted, like no iPod. So it has an iPod and it's got a circle through it with a line, so no iPod. That's probably wrong. Like, I probably shouldn't have done that. The whole thing surprises me. I think it's just unrealistic, I guess. I'm not artistic. I am just very scientific about things, and so if I made something and put it on the internet, I kind of think it's a free for all. So if somebody else gets it, then great, and if they want to use it, cool, go for it. But that's just me. Number 2 says, what examples have you experienced where educators have broken copyright laws or fair use policies? Is it really that big of a deal? Teachers play a lot of movies. Like, I mean, we own a movie, and the kids in my class watched part of Father of the Bride last year because we were testing to see if we could get our school computers, and we have MacBook Pros at school, and so we were trying to get our school computer for the teacher to play a DVD onto the smartboard. And so I had Father of the Bride in my car because we were watching it on the way to Oklahoma or something, and we watched Father of the Bride. Probably, like, there's no educational purpose of Father of the Bride, so it just kind of probably illegal. Is it really that big of a deal? No, but I know the answer is yes, and I can go to jail and I can be fined and all this stuff. To me, it just seems like if you put it on the internet, or if I paid $10 for the DVD, I should be able to show it to the 30 friends that I want. I mean, Netflix says that you can't share your password, but tons of people do. So I'm sure it is a big deal, and I'm sure if the FBI comes and gets me for showing 5 minutes of Father of the Bride to some 6th grade kids, then I'll just have to do my time, unfortunately. I really personally don't think it's that big of a deal. 3, how did you score on the fair use quiz from the website, and what question surprised you the most? So I took it before I read anything, and I got 33%. So I literally knew nothing about this. After I read through everything and went back and read through everything again because I just think it's kind of silly, I scored like a 82, I think. I can't remember exactly, but I scored better than I did, way better than I did prior. So what question surprised me the most? All of the ones where the kid went online and did this, or like my favorite one was where the kids made this collage of video or whatever, and they put popular songs from the time, and that one was okay to use, but the poor kid who recorded 60 minutes or whatever, you couldn't use that, or you could use it for 3 days, or, I mean, there's just such a time limit on everything. It seems kind of odd to me. I can't say I love this lesson. It's probably a good thing that I read this stuff, but yay, this lesson's done. Again, this is Tiffany Burton, Module 13 Reflection, and I promise I'm taking this seriously.